Just a little bit of redneckery. 2-minute, 2-mile warranty. We got some. So that goes. Whoopsie. That's no. It's a Champion. Say we're down a little bit. Is it dumb if it works? Let's go into the curb. Check your spark plug, fellas. Think you really need that anyways. That's a problem. I hope you all are ready for a little redneckery. We got a lawnmower that doesn't want to shut off. We're in trouble getting them started, but turn them off? New to me. We got ourselves a Craftsman 700 series. Now, it wouldn't shut off. So I was told that they would just take a piece of wood, stick it in there and pry that off. Well, eventually, yeah, it let go. But we got this metal shroud on here. If you look inside there, I don't know if you can see in there. All it did was pull the wire out. So I'm going to try and get this metal shroud off of here, crimp the wire back on, see if we can fix that problem. The other thing, well, sometimes you might want to check your spark plug, fellas, because that one looks like it's ready to fall out. And yet, no oil. So this is obviously a metal boot, and it's just a regular spark plug wire. I can't pull this boot out of here in order to crimp everything back on because the crimp is way back in there. So we're just gonna do away with this metal altogether. Don't think you really need that anyways. Might be a little bit trickier than I think. Gotta bring the right tool. Hang on. So this thing looks like it's a two-piece unit. Pay close attention. This is a part where I stabbed myself in the hand. Actually, that just popped open. Imagine that. Does that just work? Really? There, let me get this apart and I'll be right back. Yep, there's the next. Oh, we did. Never mind. We're not coming back. We're back. We got it. Oh. There's the part we need right there. It appeared to be a little short on wire, so we're going to trim that back just a little bit. Not a lot. I think we're going to try and do this without bloodshed. Yeah, just walk on through, Diesel. It's all good, buddy. It's all good. It's all good. Alright, so we're going to fold this back over onto itself. And hopefully, we're going to get this thing to go back on there. Oh, wait, it's working. Alright, so we got that back in there. It's not the tightest, we gotta get that a little bit more snug. Alright. Alright, we got that fixed. Let's take a look at this hand tightened spark plug. Whew. It ain't been running in a while, or that's extremely lean, but let's get her back in there and we'll tighten it up. Are you helping, Diesel? Hey? You ain't got to torque it to Alabama, but you do want it tight. Alright. Now, we're going to move on to the oil. Or lack of. You ready for this? I'm going to say we're down a little bit. I wasn't expecting to have to put oil in this, so I didn't stop and buy any. But I got some good used, you're crooked. There you go. Some good used synthetic 5W20 that'll work just fine. It's dark because it's an enriched oil. don't even know how much this takes, to be honest with you. Oh, look. We're at the full mark. Perfect. Good guess on my part. Alright, let's see how we're doing. We got the spark plug fixed, spark plug wire fixed, spark plug tight, oil filled. Let's see if we got any gas. Yeah, we got a little bit in there. Now, this one here happens to be the Cadillac model because it is self-propelled. Mine, that I'm using for a camera tripod, well, it's self-propelled, but it's self-propelled by me. They said once it was running, it wouldn't shut off. I'd be happy with it just running. And again, like I said, that's why they were pulling on the plug wire over here. Plug on plug wire to get this thing to quit. But I guess let's see if we can get it to start and see what the problem might be. I guess if we look at the handle here, and when you pull this back, it allows you to start it. When you let go, but I wonder if this cable is just not tight enough to take up the slack. There's just too much hanging out here to... Am I rambling? I'm rambling. You know what? I'm just going to start with a simple twist tie right here and right here. Tighten up that cable and see if it'll work. It'll work or it won't. If you want to be a professional, always clip your zip tie. That's no. So in order to give it the beans, I'm going to take the air cleaner out. There it is. Oh my God. Yeah, if you ever wonder why your lawnmower doesn't want to run, that's a problem. I think we're going to rather run without it than run with it. Anyway, we got direct access to the carburetor right now. We'll hit it with some of this and see if it'll bust off, but right now it ain't even trying. 1, 2, I can count to 3. A little much. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, it just needed a little help. This little fix over here did not fix the shut off, because that's what this here is. Helps if you something is not right. This is the throttle, but that's a fixed object. So this has to pull this. This is not moving at all. So basically what happens is your throttle is stuck in one position. I guess that's a minor detail. We can't figure out why it won't shut off though. guys see that? Guys see that? We got some more on that in a bit. I have the Craftsman 675. There's a Stratton motor. The only difference is it's not self-propelled. But watch the brake. Pull the handle, right? Watch. Allows you to run it. Shuts it off. We go to this one here. It is stuck forward and it's not coming back. We're gonna try and get this thing to move. Oh, this piece over here, see this? Some lubrication in the situation there, see what happens. We're not trying to break this, we're just trying to... It moved. Now, my guess is it probably will not start. That's my guess. Yes, I've seen now here that'll start, that won't. That'll start, that won't. So I think our problem is going to be at the top, not here. Let's go take that apart. Ain't nothing wrong with zip ties. Well, we are running out of options here. I don't have another cable, nor can I get one today. I think this is just seized up. What I want to do is take this off and put a spring on there that holds the spring tight. Meaning it's going to pull that together like that. The machine will run. When you want to shut it off, you hold this back, shuts the machine off, let it go, it returns to normal. You think that'll work? All about to find out together. That's kind of where we're at. Okay, so we got that out. It moves a little more freely. Let's see what we got for springs. So one of my last trips over to Harbor Freight, oh, still wrapped in plastic. I got this box of assorted springs. I think they were about $4. But are any of them strong enough to pull that back? You know, I really don't know, to be honest with you. Maybe we'll have to double them up and triple them up. We're all gonna find out. Well, it might work. We're all gonna find out together. You have now made your way to the rigging portion of Can He Fix It? Time will tell. Can you cut your grass with it right now? Yep, you can. Well, actually, no, you can't. Remember when I said we were at the rigging portion of this program? Y'all might have thought I was kidding. Nope. About to get serious. Alright, now bear with me. Here's what I'm thinking, okay? So, we get this hooked onto here. And if I could drill a hole right where my thumb is, that'll hold that forward. We want to shut it off. Look at my pinky. Look at that guy right there. Yeah. Did I come up with that all on my own? Absolutely, I did, and that's what I'm going to go with. Ooh, we're there. All right. Okay, we got you. We got you. So that goes. Whoopsie. That goes there. Let's say this one's on here. See, we're closed. Now I'm going to start this up. If I can make this thing run, I want to shut it off. I do this. Okay, you think? You think? Is it dumb if it works? Probably not. Let's see. It needs a little bit of help. It might be out of gas. We're gonna go this road here. I'm a genius. Not really. Just a little bit of redneckery. Thinking this thing may be running out of gas, so that's what we did. Spring on there, holds it forward when you want to shut it off. Push that spring, you're done. Go the lawnmower way. Go get a cold beer. All right, let's get this thing back together. Again, this cover just comes off with 2 Phillips screws. Now I would rather run the air filter than this air filter. That was bad. Yeah, we'll just leave that out. We can go get another one. So a level of difficulty here that's not very difficult. It's just a matter of figuring out which lever is pulling what. Well, there's another job done, complete with a 2-minute, 2-mile warranty. Axel, what do you think? We get her done? Do you care? I'm gonna go with you don't care.